Let's take a look at example 4. We have two figures that are supposedly not drawn to scale, and the angle shown above are acute angle. That means they are less than 90 degrees, and so that makes a right angle triangle possible. So if I have sine A to be equal to cosine B, and then I have A is equal to this and B is equal to that, what is the value of K? All right. So if sine A, so let's draw a right angle triangle so that you can see. So now I'm gonna take this here. Okay. So I'm gonna draw a right angle triangle like this. All right. Let's draw a right angle triangle. So this is 90 degrees. Call this our H, and this here, let's call this A. If sine A, you notice that sine A, so let's call this, let's call this, let's call this, say, X and this Y, for instance. Okay, then sine A will be equal to Y over H. Now, if this is A, then notice that this will be equal to 90 minus A, right? And cosine 90 minus A will be equal to Y also over H. Now, as you can tell, they said cosine sine A is equal to cosine B. That means we can say that our B is equal to 90 minus A. Agree? Yes. So A here, 90 minus A. So since cosine sine of A, which is 1 over H, is the same as cosine of 90 minus A, that means B is equal to 90 minus A. If B is 90 minus A, then we can solve this right away. So we can say that now A is equal to, we can, instead of this, we can say that this here. So we know that B is equal to 90 minus A implies that 6K minus 13 is equal to 90 minus 4K minus 22, right? So we can simplify this. So 6K minus 13 will be equal to 90 minus 4K plus 22. And therefore, we have 6K minus 13 is equal to 90. This will be, let's go ahead and add our 12 here. So this give you, 22 here. This is 112 minus 4K. And obviously, we're going to have 10K will be equal to 125. So divide this by 10, divide this by 10 implies what K is equal to 12.5. Right, so that's straightforward. You just have to understand that if whenever you have sine of A to be equal to cosine A, that means you're dealing with these scenarios. Always remember, you're only going to have two angles left once you have a right angle triangle. One is 90, the other ones you have to sum up to be 90 degrees. And so you can use that basic approach to help you define the various angles and use that to find the various trig ratios and then calculate the values that you want.